What's up, guys? Today's video, I'm not really gonna make an install video. Just gonna show you guys the process of how Purebred Performance recommends you install their carbon pieces. Because we're gonna replace this cheap looking eBay to match that a little better. That and this guy. Replacing those again. We're gonna add some onto the doors. See how that looks, and then adding some right here. Ignore this. I have to wait for it to warm up a lot to fix that kink. Actually, I think I can do it with the heat gun. But yeah, ignore that for now. But yeah, so we're gonna replace again this cheap stuff to make it match that a little bit better. This is a piece they don't offer yet, sadly. So for now, I'm just gonna replace these guys on each side, and as far as the wheel goes, and then a couple other pieces. But yeah, see right there the difference. I mean, look at that. That matches so much better, so much nicer than that. So quickly, before I actually put this on, I have two little quarrels with it, but I mean, it is what it is. I'll eventually have them wrapped or whatever in real carbon fiber. But so here you can see at the bottom, the good stuff doesn't wrap around the bottom. It just kind of ends there. And then up here, doesn't quite go deep enough into there. So I'm either eventually gonna take these off, the actual trim piece, and paint it black and slap these on top of it, or I'm just gonna send them out to someone to have them wrapped in real carbon fiber. But yeah. So as you can see, it took me less than 5 minutes. Already installed the other stuff. When I last spoke with them a couple months ago, when I received these items, when I bought them, they recommended using a heat gun just to warm up the pieces and warm up the adhesive and make them stick easier. I know it looks beautiful, but it's actually a little chilly. It's like 50 something degrees here, so figured to be on the safe side, I'd warm it up a little bit too. Make sure that the adhesive sticks properly. I don't have any issues with it. But yeah, like I said, looks better. Matches that carbon a lot better. I only wish they had this piece. They do have the center piece. You have the bottom piece that normally would go here. And then they have this guy. I'm not a fan of these guys, so I'm not gonna install that. I prefer this, even though it's more of a matte carbon. Obviously not real carbon, but I prefer this over the pieces in the center. So I just gotta find a way to replace this. I'm either gonna do white ring to match the shifters, or we're gonna find someone that can do some good looking carbon. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. But yeah, so basically, gonna do that with all the other pieces. Use window switch covers, armrest, whatever you want to call them. These are the window switches. Door handle. And then the climate control piece. Basically step by step, or same steps I just took to apply these. Probably have to actually wipe these down a little bit, a little dirty. Ignore this, I'm getting this fixed too by a professional. Just wanted to see how it looked and make sure I'd like it and not want it done in carbon. But I think I definitely like this better. I got the shifter done too. I definitely like that look better than the carbon. Especially for when the sun hits it. I don't want to be blinded. It's a satin finish, so it doesn't reflect as much. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install those pieces, wipe that down, stick those on, and then when I'm done, show you guys the finished look. So one of the things I will say off the bat is that you do, again, a couple quarrels. This doesn't cover this area where this guy did. Kind of tucked in under there. But what I don't like about this guy, why I decided to get a different one, of course not one's just stuck, is that this is kind of like a plastic. And you can kind of bend it or whatever. I can never get it to stick right. It never formed properly, I guess, or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, I can never get it to stick. And then with the subs, I just put in even, you know, railroad tracks or whatever. Since it wasn't properly, I was always kind of rattling. But like I said, of course, not wants to stick. But so yeah, there's one thing I already like about it. That obviously, since it's pretty malleable, it just kind of fits on there. But again, I wish it covered in here. But you know, small corals. Just want to say real quick too, I'm not sponsored by Purebred Performance. So I paid retail for all this stuff. I think they gave me a 10% off code that they had at the time. 10%, 15% maybe? I don't remember. But so yeah, I'm just making this video for the heck of it. There's really no quote-unquote install videos, not that you need any. They're pretty much stick and peel and stick applications, but yeah. So I guess this middle part of the video, just likes and dislikes of it. Coral with this outer piece. Let's see. Not that I expect it to wrap around the edge, but that would be cool, but that's a lot. But this is fine. My slight quarrel is that it doesn't form fit up right next to it. I can fit my finger in between. And then up here is a little bit of gap. I tried pushing that down and no gap, but then this was over this, so I couldn't do that, so I had to push it back up, and now we have that. Again, little quarrels, but just little things that irritate me. The bright side, can't really see the silver that's in there. That silver chrome trim crap, can't see it, so that's always a bright side. So, basically it. Show you guys that. And the rear is the same thing. I'll show you guys on this side. I did take this out to install this piece. Made my life easier. A little heat trick did work, trying to crimp it, but now I'm having issues here, so that's another fun time. Be able to install the Pro Clip again. No issues. Just had to shove it in a little further. Minor quarrel with this guy is that I do wish it went all the way down. So I was stopping here, wish it went down, but again, minor quarrel. I think they look great. And that fiber is dancing in the sun. Carbon fiber. Maybe I should just say fiber. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Much, much better than the eBay stuff. This one seemed to have better fitment as far as the gaps around here that I was complaining on the other side about, so I don't know. Maybe it just depends on production line, I guess. Look at that. I might be buying more off of them. You got a piece that goes around here. A couple other pieces I can't remember off the top of my head, but I probably will end up buying more from them. But yeah, overall, A-. So there's a handful of things that I didn't like. But overall, I'd say A-. I'm happy with them. Money well spent, in my opinion. Well, really, the only thing better is getting them overlaid, wrapped, whatever you want to call it, in real carbon fiber. So for now, I'm happy. But hope this video helps you guys make the decision to buy them or not buy them, whatever you decide to do. But hope this video is helpful. See you guys.